All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. This is my trailer. This is a 2024 trailer. I just picked this up about a month ago, and it's an 18-foot long, 8.5 feet wide enclosed cargo trailer. And I wanted to find a lock that was going to secure this so I don't have to worry about it getting stolen. Now, one thing I've been doing for a while is I keep this this kind of wheel lock on here that just kind of clamps the wheel, kind of like a boot. Kind of helps the wheel to keep from moving. But that's kind of one way to prevent this being stolen. Also, another way is to have a coupler lock. Now, this is a lock I just got this from Proven Industries. This is probably the most sturdy lock that I could find for the coupler. I have had just like maybe a little lock here or a little lock that goes up into the ball. A lot of those just seem pretty flimsy, and they could just get whacked off pretty easily with like a sledgehammer. A grinder could take that off pretty easily. Let me take this off. Let me show you the pieces of this and show you how secure that is. All right, so it has this lock on the front here. This is like a little puck lock, a really sturdy aluminum lock that locks the pieces together. So you can see here how the lock comes down. It clamps these two pieces right here. So you can see there's these two pieces right here. That's how the lock comes apart, and it keeps this together. So what I'm going to do here is if I slide this off, it comes in two pieces. Now this thing is super heavy duty. I mean, this thing probably weighs 10, 12 pounds. Super thick steel on here. So it's going to be, you know, tamper resistant. Someone's not going to be able to easily break through this. And then the second part here, see how I have my safety chains? They hook onto this part here that goes up into where the ball goes. This is going to help secure the safety chains so that someone just can't hook the safety chains on and pull the trailer away, which you know, thieves can commonly do if your safety chains are just hanging here. So how you install this is you just hook your chains on right here, leave your coupler open, and we push that up like this. Push it up as far up as it goes. And then this piece, see these slots right here on the bottom? Those slots just go right into the sides here. Okay, and then these these two pieces meet right here, and the puck lock is just going to has a pin through it in the middle that just comes up. It just locks between these two pieces. Like that. I mean, that thing's pretty sturdy. It doesn't do anything with this latch here, which you don't really need to worry about. My trailer, this is all welded on, so I don't have to worry about someone like unscrewing my coupler here and then putting a new one on to steal it. So this one's welded on, so that's secure. I guess the only concern is maybe someone could hook their own hooks onto these chains or something and pull the trailer like that. But really, this is more like for theft deterrence. Someone sees something like this, how heavy duty this is, and all they have is like a sledgehammer. They'll be beating on this for a while before it even comes off. So it's going to help deter theft. It's not you know, 100% theft proof, but it's going to help deter any would-be or opportunistic thieves that are walking by. So guys, this is a great solution. I'll leave a link to this down below. This isn't sponsored. I bought this. I just wanted to have, you know, a really heavy-duty lock on the tongue of my trailer. So I'm really happy with how this looks. It's super heavy-duty. I think that it's really going to help protect the trailer. So this is a great solution if you want to protect your trailer. Also, these Proven locks, these are also, you can buy these separately and individually, which I'm going to pick a couple of these up so I can put on my back, on my ramp door. If you're storing anything in the back here, you could put those Proven locks right here. And what it does is they're just tamper resistant, so that way someone can't easily like just cut the shackle of like a padlock or something like that. Just going to make them a little more, make this area a little more secure. You get two of those. So I'll probably pick a couple of those up to secure the back here. And I'll keep my wheel lock on as well. Now, if someone really wanted to steal this trailer, they could. I mean, any professional thief who really plans out could really steal this. But really, someone just coming by my house or something that just sees the trailer, this is going to deter them away from it. So I think this is going to be a good deterrence. But guys, I'll leave a link down below. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.